In this session, we'll go through the professional social networking site called LinkedIn. So on the homepage, you will see here that there is a sign up form just on the right side of the homepage. So we'll just go ahead and fill up this form. Ask you for your email and then password. Then just go on, click on join now. So after your account has been created, it will ask you for several other location related information. So it will ask you for the country, then the zip code, and then if you're currently employed or a business owner or working independently. So that's me. And I'm in an industry. Uh, Maybe let's put their e-learning and then click on enter LinkedIn. So there, that was fairly easy actually. And once you're inside LinkedIn, it will ask you for several other informations like your profile information. However, if you also want to build your network, it may ask you for several email accounts that you may have. It could be Gmail, AOL, or Windows Live Hotmail, and it will find people already on LinkedIn and request them to be added on your network. But of course, the first thing that you need to do is to actually fill up your profile. So just go and click on profile here. So once you're inside the profile, you can actually edit some employment history about yourself, like where are you currently working, or where have you been working before, as well as some information about education and websites that you own or you manage. At the bottom here, you will see that there's an option for public profile, and it will give you this URL. Usually, it will give you a URL, a nice URL with your name in it, but you can go ahead and customize it something like this. Okay, just go and click on edit and fill that up. So I'll explain later why you need this type of customized URL or address. Okay, just go back again on profile, and you will see here on the right side that LinkedIn will ask you to do some stuff like adding a position or education, maybe adding a picture here for your photo, and add a summary of what you're currently doing as well as your specialties, and maybe also ask for recommendations from other people. So for every action that you do here, it will give you a percentage of profile completeness. So your goal here is to make your profile completeness at 100%. So let's just go and see a fully completed profile. So this is what a completed profile would look like. I've added my picture here, some information about me, what I'm doing, my location and my industry, as well as my current, past employment, education, and then people who have recommended me and the number of people that I'm connected with, as well as websites and blogs that I manage or maintain. I also added a summary just here and some specialties that I have. So now there are some features here on LinkedIn that you might also want to look into. So you have an inbox where people might be sending you email or sending you invitation to connect. So just go ahead and click on some of the emails in your inbox, and then there'll be people here who might know you and you might want to add to your LinkedIn. So there, I'll just go ahead and accept Manu. Okay, and there will be people here that LinkedIn thinks might know you or you know. So if you don't know them, just delete them from that list. Again, if you want to see your profile and how it looks in public, just go to your profile and click on the tab View My Profile. So this is how your LinkedIn profile would look like from the public site. And you will also see here some people leaving comments on your past experience as recommendation. LinkedIn actually serves like an online resume, and it is very important that you also get recommendations. If you click on recommendations, you will see here people who have endorsed you, um, or you have endorsed, and you can go ahead and click on the links. Ask to be endorsed if you know people who you worked before and you wanted to solicit some endorsement. Um, so just go ahead and say click on ask to be endorsed and decide which people you want to send the request for endorsement, and then customize this email message that will be sent to them, and then just go click on send. They will get an email notification that you are soliciting a recommendation. Another just like in Facebook, another function of LinkedIn is to be a part of a specific group. You can go and create a group or find a group that you think you want to belong in. Just like Yahoo Answers, LinkedIn also has the LinkedIn Answers where you can go and ask for questions and maybe answer other people's question. So let's just go to my Q&A, and it will tell me that I can ask 10 more questions this month. So this is like a quota that LinkedIn gives to you, and maybe you know something that somebody asked, and maybe you've also answered other people's questions. So just click on my answers, and you can just go to answers home and maybe look for other people's questions here that you think you know the answer to, and just go ahead and answer them. The good thing about answers also is that you are given the opportunity to see the background of the people answering the questions, so you would know if their questions or the answers to those questions are pretty reliable. So basically, that's our discussion and walkthrough of LinkedIn. I'd like you as a task to open up and create your own LinkedIn profile. And don't forget to search for me and add me in your network.